This is the elevator to the Ambulatory Surgery Center at UPMC Shadyside Hospital in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This appears to be an early 90s Dover Marshall Impulse Oildraulic elevator. Case 59's elevator. What is up with all the blank buttons there? We'll go to 2. I don't see the point in those buttons. Here we go, up Marshall elevator. Elevator 29. Ooh, a little squeaky there. Here at 2, that was rather quick. But what is up with all the buttons there? We'll go back down to 1. Luckily, there's no one at that desk. 88 phone, GI-tronics. Pretty nice cab. Here, back at 1. Should be like a director or something here. That's what a certificate should be. Here it closes, and that's going to be it.